Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Caribbean dishes. Today I will show you how I make my simple roti recipe. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. I have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour that I'm adding to a bowl. Next, I'm using a flat spatula to make a tunnel at the center of the flour. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, next I'm adding a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Add about 1½ cup of warm water a little at a time. Then mix all your ingredients together to form a dough. I use 3 ingredients to make my dough. Knead the dough until it is smooth. You can also knead your dough on a lightly floured surface. I form a round dough and I'm going to cover it with a towel and let it rise for about an hour. I'm cutting my dough into 5 to 6 pieces and setting them aside. On a floured surface, I'm rolling out with my rolling pin my first piece of dough into a circle. You can lightly flour your rolling pin if it starts to stick to your dough. Preheat a large frying pan on medium heat with some lightly brushed vegetable oil. Place your rolled out dough into the preheated pan and allow it to cook until you start to see white blotches. Whilst your roti is cooking, roll out your second dough so that it can be ready when your first roti is cooked. Once you start to see some bubbles or raised parts on your roti, lightly brush it with some vegetable oil. Flip over your roti and lightly brush it with some vegetable oil. Cook the roti until it is slightly brown. Once one side is brown, flip it over to cook the other side until it is brown. Make sure to flip it occasionally whilst it's cooking. Once both sides of the roti are slightly brown, remove it from the heat. Lightly brush some vegetable oil at the bottom of your pan, then add your rolled out dough to the pan. Lightly brush the top of your roti and allow it to cook until you start to see the bubbles. The second roti, the bubbles are quite visible. I'm getting my next dough ready. Now the roti is ready to be flipped over and lightly brushed with some vegetable oil. I'm allowing it to cook until both sides are lightly brown. Guys, don't judge me for this one. I am cooking curry at the same time that I'm making these roti. Continue to flip it occasionally until both sides are brown. Then remove it from the heat. Repeat the same steps until all the dough has been used. This is my finished recipe. I serve my rotis with some curry chicken. I hope that you have enjoyed this simple roti recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.